Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. This is your Digital Learning Week 4 overview video in which I'm going to be walking you through a little bit of what's going to be going on this week. So welcome back from spring break and let's get to work. The first thing you're going to see is on Monday, you guys are going to be doing a lesson on a key unit skill, format, and presentation. The assignments you're working on this week are all about format and presentation, so make sure you pay attention in this lesson. Then on Tuesday, I'm going to have my Zoom meeting with periods 1 through 4. It's going to be a little bit different this week. As you guys know, the Zoom meetings have changed some of their login rules and things like that. So number one, it's going to be, I think, password required now. So just know that I'm going to add a password here for you guys that you'll need to use in order to access the meeting. And then the second thing that's changed is we are going to be meeting as a whole class this week for the full time. So not in your small groups like you have before for that short, like 10-minute segment. It's going to be for the full time. So please make sure you are ready to attend for that block. Periods 5 through 8. You guys are going to be starting on your main assignment for this week called Digital Interview. And when you click on the assignment, you'll learn more about that. You are only required to complete step 1 on this day. Periods 1 through 4, you're going to be completing the Digital Interview step 1 on Wednesday, while periods 5 through 8 finishes that assignment by completing step 2 and submitting. Thursday is going to be periods 1 through 4's finishing up with step 2 and submitting to Canvas, and periods 5 through 8 are going to have that whole class meeting for the full time. Now, what's going to be happening during that whole class meeting for the full time is I'm actually going to be leading a resume revision and peer feedback activity. It's really important that you attend these Zoom sessions because I'm going to be explaining common mistakes in resumes that I have found as I went through them. You'll notice that none of you guys have grades yet. That's because you guys made quite a few common mistakes, and I wanted to give you guys feedback before I grade them. So instead, what I've done is I've taken that same resume assignment and I have extended the deadline. In fact, now your resume is due this Friday. Now, if you've already submitted it and you love the resume you did, and after we do the activity with the peer feedback and me going over common mistakes, you're like, my resume is great. You don't have to resubmit. You're good to go. But after you do the Zoom session, if you're like, ooh, my resume had quite a few of those common mistakes, I should go back and fix them and then resubmit it. Great. That's what that session is for. So you'll have all of Friday to go back and revise and then resubmit your resumes to Canvas to the assignment Resume Resubmit. So just know that this is your last chance to turn in the resume. So make sure that you do a really good job. And because this is a revision activity, the assignment has a hard close at midnight on Friday. There are no late submissions accepted because I've already extended the deadline a full week, actually 2 weeks if you count spring break. So it closes at midnight, don't be late. The final new addition that I want to mention this week is the school is now offering office hours. So that means that on the days where you don't have Zoom meetings with me, I am now available on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday during open office hours from 3 to 3:30. And you just join the same way you would for a Zoom meeting, and I'll be kind of just sitting there in front of my computer, like doing whatever I'm doing. And then when you show up, I can help you. So basically, it's an opportunity for you guys to ask me specific questions about your resume or ask me specific questions about your digital interview, just the same way you would in class, where you just have a question, you're doing your work, you come up and you ask me, okay? So that's it for this week. Click on the individual days for more information about specific assignments, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.